Hey there. So you're going to have 6 rods total. 3 on the bottom, 3 on the top. These middle rods with the extensions, they go in the middle. And you're going to put the extension in first, and these end rods on after. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you how I'm going to put the rods in. I'm going to install them for you. So I'm going to insert the middle bar first. This one, the middle bar has the extension on it. You want to fold it so that the yellow tape goes inside the bar first. Then you twist it to fit the rest of the banner in. Then you're going to push it all the way so that the rod goes all the way down. And you do the same on the other side. You want to go all the way, stop it right about there. Give yourself a couple inches on each end. And don't forget to cap it off with your ends. So you just finished the bottom. You want to do the same thing on the top, except for the top you want to put these hooks in first before you cap it off with the cap. So you want to put these in. And this allows you to hang it on displays. You want to put that in